Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Saurav from Natoma. Uh, Today, I want to talk about something that's on everyone's mind. How do we securely adopt and scale AI in the enterprise? Since 2017, when Google introduced the transformer model architecture, we have witnessed a dramatic shift from traditional AI to generative AI. Uh, Tools like ChatGPT built on top of those breakthroughs have seen uh, huge adoption in the consumer space. Uh, but here's the catch: while the consumer side of Gen AI has been exploding, we still see uh, the enterprise adoption in its infancy. Why is that? Uh, which is LLM without access to your enterprise context is as good as hiring a smart software engineer and never giving them access to your code base. So it's pretty much ineffective. LLMs shine in sort of consumer use cases and walled garden use cases, but for enterprise grade use case, which could be security and compliance, your finance and legal, your sales and marketing, they hit a wall because there's no good way to give secure access to real enterprise data. So the AI agent you want can't become your teammate and work like alongside you if it's not uh, interoperable with your tools. Uh, Tools has the right follows the right security protocols, has access management built in, and scales uh, uh, readily. These four challenges are the biggest roadblocks to enterprise AI adoption. At Natoma, we have built an agent access product, which is basically an AI gateway that works as a control plane, which helps you seamlessly integrate your LLM tools with all the enterprise apps and tools available within your company, your workflows, your data, and also gives you security and access controls uh, on top of this connectors. We also have flexible deployment, which means we are sort of on cloud, on prem, hybrid. So, a quick overview of what we offer. We have MCP registry, which is pretty much the app catalog of the AI world. We allow hosting MCP servers, so you can bring your own sort of MCP server or custom apps, and Natoma will support them. We have built-in Authn and Audzy. We have hosting flexibility, as I told. It could be your VPC, it could be on-prem, it could be on cloud. We have audit reports, anomaly detection, and reporting analytics built in as well. On top of that, we also have policy engine, which gives you multiple levers to control how AI agents are working in your enterprise. It could be rate limiting, it could be time window based access, it could be who can use what. So there are a bunch of levers that are given for admins to control how AI agents are accessed. We know one size doesn't fit all. That's why we have multi-cloud, multi-geo support. So we support multiple cloud providers and multiple geographies, as well as hybrid, like on-prem and cloud both. Uh, we also are secure by design, basically. So if you see, we give you the ability to sort of control reliably who can use what. We can sort of auto scale based on the usage, and we also give something for Terraform based automation for just for the DevOps team to manage it better. Apart from that, one thing that we also do, which has come as a bigger concern from some of the CISOs that we talk to, is shadow MCP servers being used in an enterprise. So there are a lot of unapproved or unmonitored AI apps running within your company, and there's no visibility around it. So basically, these are tools or applications that are used without any approval, knowledge, or oversight by your IT or security teams. This is pretty much your sort of opportunity to make AI first class citizen in your org, we are offering a 14-day trial. Uh, I think, yeah, the last slide missing. We had a QR code which would have made it easy for you to scan and book a demo. But we also have a booth on first floor where you can come and meet us for a detailed walkthrough of the product. With that, I'll show you a small demo of the product itself. It was just for setting up the context. Can you play the video? Yeah, so this is pretty much our MCP registry or app catalog where you would see all the enterprise apps, all the connectors built in. You can just enable it in your company with, uh, with ease with a click. You can allow personal connections, which will go through an OAuth flow of sorts, which is on behalf of Flow as well. And then we also support managed connections, which can be managed centrally by you and given to a certain set of employees. So basically, these are all the tools that you can manage. You have two-level control. You can say write access is not allowed versus read is allowed, but whatnot. So you can pretty much monitor that. As an end user, when you land on Natoma, you see all the available apps, all the apps that are eligible, that you can install. And once you install these apps, it will appear under My Connections. Now, once you have a set of apps that are installed based on whatever was available to you, you can pretty much get a config for the AI client that you use. It could be Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, Gemini, Windsurf, and you are good to go. So if you saw Okta, Slack, and Atlassian were the tools connected, and now we can pretty much connect, ask questions about Okta and Slack through my Cloud client, desktop or web, and it will give you the data. We just need to see it in action. So pretty much as you type the prompt, we figure out, like, LLM client figures out what are the MCP tools that need to be called. And then these requests go through our gateway, which pretty much in real time enforces policy, looks at the right access controls, uh, looks at all policy, rate limiting and stuff, and then gives you the result uh, uh, based on all the MCP servers that are available to you. So this is LLM getting the data from Okta, figuring out that you have an unrotated password that has been not rotated since January 9, 2024. It's a stale password that needs rotation, and it will send you a Slack message.